Hi, we are Nico and Alex, the founders of simpleclub, a German startup, and we built the world's coolest learning app, totally for free.
We are already standard in Germany for learning. On YouTube we have over 2.5 million subscribers, and every month 600,000 students learn with simpleclub. Also, we were nominated for the Emmy Award, so as you can see, in Germany students learn every day with simpleclub.
Yeah, now we are going international, and that means that we take simpleclub to the US and to India. And so you can see how your life as a student will change with simpleclub. We made this short video.
This is simpleclub, the coolest learning app on earth. And this is how it works. Imagine you're on the verge of a test. You learn the stuff, but suddenly you don't understand something. How cool would it be if you could just ask your buddy who will explain it in a minute? Simpleclub is this buddy. Just search for your topic. You will find cool learning videos on all kinds of topics in math, physics, biology, chemistry, and many other subjects. All videos are produced by our team, the best tutors in the world, the coolest designers, and top speakers. If you don't find something, don't worry. We produce up to 20 new videos every week. You can also tell us what you need, and we'll produce it as quickly as possible. And here's the best part. So that you don't have to search all the time, we have implemented a feature that will save your life. Just create a playlist for your next exam. Tell us the topic you are writing about, and bam! We fill your playlist automatically with the best videos for the topic. Now all you have to do is look at the playlist, and you'll understand everything in no time. simpleclub. Understand everything in 5 minutes. Get good grades. Save time.
You like that? Nice! If you want to be the first one who gets the app, just follow us on social media and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, and also click on the link in our profile, or if you watch it on YouTube, in the description to learn all about the features. We are looking forward to building this with you together and to expanding our community around the world.
Stay tuned, see you!